Assalamu alaikum. In this short video, I'm going to tell you about how to run a Django server. To run a Django server, we have to open a VS Code. After opening VS Code, we see this interface. First of all, you have to create an app on Django. I have created app on Django already, so I'm using a terminal to run a Django server. Uh, I clear terminal by typing a cls command, and the terminal is cleared. You see in this here, you see in my terminal, there is a website one. It is the name of my project. We have to move to the project folder. To move to the project folder, we using terminal command, that is cd, and that used to change the directories. I'm going to type a cd here and give a name of my project folder. Project, and press enter. It change the directory and move to project folder. First of all, we have to locate the manage.py file to run a server. To locate the manage.py file, we have to type a command that is known as python manage.py run server. After typing this, press enter. The link is pop up. Just click on link by adding a control button, and you will see the page that I have created. So after this, I have created many pages, such as registration page. First of all, I took a look of registration page. There is a video page project. So I'm going to open a browser here, and type a /share/ and video page. This is my page that I have created in Django, that used to user to agree on the video content to move further. And if he is agree, he move backward to the locate page.